Welcome to another home tour by Ohmyhome. Today we are at Kingsford Hillview Peak.
Now, this development is located at District 23 in Singapore.
The closest MRT station is the Hillview MRT station, which is 7 minutes walk away. What about amenities, if you ask? Now look no further, because your supermarket, your banking, your Starbucks and the rest that you need are all located a mere skip away, which is opposite at Hillview 2. Completed in 2017, the development has got 512 units. It has got full facilities, your 50-metre lap pool, your tennis court, gyms, jogging track, even has a golf simulator and an outdoor theatre. Now enough said about this development, let's go check out the unit.
This is a one-bedroom penthouse unit at 1087 square feet. By the entrance, you've got an open concept kitchen with top and bottom hung cabinets by Blum to ensure that you'll never run out of space in the kitchen. Now, this unit here is north-south facing. You'll always be this bright, but the best part about this unit is this amazing 4-metre ceiling height that gives you that grand span of space. Another great feature about this unit is this loft that you've got. The attention to details is impeccable. You've got dark switches, you've got decorative panels, you've got this really antique kind of handles. They've even made use of this area under the stairs for more storage. And guys and girls, if you ever dream of having your own walk-in wardrobe, well, is 7 panels enough for you? And your lifestyle need not be compromised in a tiny space. You can still dine, work from home, watch TV, and chill. And at the end of the night, you can retreat to this upper loft level in this cozy space and call it a night.
And finally, your own outdoor space where you can entertain your friends and family, have a barbecue, or wind down the evening with wine and cheese.
This one-bedroom penthouse unit at Kingsford Hillview Peak is gorgeous. It's luxury living. And if you like what you see, then call us at Ohmyhome 6886 9009.